What's up, YouTube? This is just the unboxing or initial review or whatever you want to call it of this hyper tough 18-inch LED slim under cabinet light, linkable, and you can read the rest. So let's open this sucker up. Okay. Here's the light, of course, slim. And this box has cord with clicker and the linkable cord. Instructions and a couple screws. Okay, now I've already installed one of these lights. I bought two because I have two spots I want to use it in, right here and right over here. And here you can see for yourself. Not bad. I'm not 100% of the position. I might put it back a little more or lower my magnet strip. We'll see. But for now, I just got the cord, which is plenty long enough, tucked into here, and we'll turn it on here real quick. Bam. So, give me a second, I'll install the second one and we'll link it up. Second light's installed. I went a little farther back than the first one. We'll see which position I like better, and then I'll move the other light. But before I turn them on, I just want to say a few things. One, the cord is 5 foot overall length. I couldn't find anywhere it said that on the box, so now you know. Also, I did not use the screws that came with the light. I decided to go with these shorter screws because of the thickness of my shelf. So, there's the size if you want to know. And, to link the lights, there's this little end cap you got to pop out. You can see it right over here. That little hole right there. You pop it out and plug the link in. So, there it is. Let's flip this thing on. Well, here's a quick before shot and after. I like it. I think I like the farther back position better. Kind of illuminates the tools a little more, but you know, we'll see. I'll give it a few days. So if I do move them both back or one forward, this cord's going to loop up more because it's longer than I need. So I'll just drill a hole on either side of my bracket and zip tie it down. You know, run a zip tie through there and keep it from sagging down here. But now, if you like videos about LED lights, I got a few more. I got a few reviews on tools, but mainly what I do is cars. So if you're into that stuff, check it out. Otherwise, thanks for watching. I hope this helps. Peace out.